Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology and innovation. If you're ready to have your mind expanded and your imagination set on fire, don't go anywhere. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let's embark on this mind-bending journey together. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment of these mind-blowing innovations you won't believe exist. Get ready to be amazed. Welcome to a future that's already here. The Untitled charging system offers a wireless solution for charging electric bikes e-bikes through their kickstands. This innovative technology allows e-bikes to be charged by simply parking them on a specialized tile equipped with inductive charging coils. The process involves placing the kickstand's feet on two circles on the tile surface, which initiates the charging process. As electric bikes reached a staggering 35 million units, highlighting the growing importance of addressing their charging needs, Holland came up with a brilliant solution: charging tiles and a specialized kickstand. By placing the kickstand on the yellow mark, the battery starts charging effortlessly. The 2-amp version offers a charging speed comparable to a regular charger, while the 4-amp version charges even faster. These adaptable kickstands can be easily attached to any electric bike, and there are plans to extend their compatibility to scooters and mopeds. Additionally, the cloud connectivity of the charging tiles allows for remote control, making it an enticing feature for rental businesses. With this ingenious setup, electric bike users can enjoy the convenience and efficiency of hassle-free charging, ensuring an exceptional riding experience worldwide. Shine is a small portable wind turbine designed to be lightweight and easy to transport. It was created by a startup company called Rewind. The turbine folds down into a backpack size when not in use. It weighs around 10 pounds. To set it up, you unfold it and extend the telescoping pole, which can extend up to 7 feet tall. The rotor blades unfold and start spinning when wind hits them. The Shine turbine is capable of generating up to 40 watts of power, making it suitable for charging a wide range of handheld devices such as smartphones, cameras, portable speakers, and more. It is designed to be set up easily on the ground or mounted to a roof or balcony. The pole has a standard tripod mount for versatility. In good wind conditions of 12 miles per hour or more, Shine can generate up to 100 watts of power. This is enough to charge phones, batteries, and small electronics when you're off the grid. It's marketed as an emergency preparedness product to provide power when the electrical grid goes down. It could also be useful for camping, festivals, or any outdoor activities. Retails for around $399. The compact size and portability gives wind energy potential in new situations compared to large conventional turbines. It's particularly appealing to adventure travelers, campers, and those who seek to harness renewable energy while on the go. The Shine turbine offers a convenient and environmentally friendly way to charge devices, reducing the need for traditional power sources in remote or off-grid locations. Rivers annually carry from 0.8 to 2.7 million tons of plastic into the ocean, equivalent to 66,000 to 225,000 double-decker buses. To reduce the amount of plastic entering our global waters, an autonomous system called the River Cleaning System comes to the rescue. The River Cleaning System is made up of a series of floating devices positioned diagonally on the course of the river. These devices intercept plastic waste and transport it to the riverbank in a special storage area. The system consists of several gears that rotate using the river's current. They work together to gather and collect the plastic until it reaches a storage container. What sets this system apart from other similar inventions is that it doesn't impede ships from navigating the river. When it encounters boats, the device allows them to pass through and then returns to its position. Depending on the river's size and flow, the system size can be adjusted for maximum efficiency. The river cleaning system collects energy directly from the river current, does not need auxiliary power, and does not produce any type of waste. Its design ensures zero impact on the ecosystem. This innovative solution operates without any additional power source and doesn't generate any waste, making it a sustainable and efficient method for tackling plastic pollution in our rivers. TranscribeGlass is a pair of smart glasses that can transcribe speech in real time. The transcription is displayed on the lenses of the glasses so the wearer can read what is being said. The glasses use artificial intelligence and speech recognition technology to detect speech and automatically generate captions. They can transcribe conversations, lectures, presentations, and more. TranscribeGlass was created by Anthropic, a startup focused on building socially beneficial AI products. The goal is to increase accessibility and inclusion for the deaf and hard of of hearing community. Some key features include the ability to transcribe multiple speakers, filter out background noise, and customize vocabulary. The glasses connect via Bluetooth to a smartphone app that controls settings. TranscribeGlass received FDA approval in 2021 as a Class 1 medical device. Clinical studies found the transcription to be highly accurate, with low latency. The glasses are currently available in the US for $599. They require a prescription, so must be fitted by an optometrist. The invention of TranscribeGlass aims to bridge communication barriers, provide independence, and expand opportunities for those with hearing impairments. It's an exciting example of AI being used to increase accessibility. kinetiX is a project from the MIT Media Lab's Tangible Media Group that focuses on designing auxetic-inspired, deformable material structures. Auxetic materials are materials that exhibit a negative Poisson's ratio (NPR), meaning that when they are stretched or compressed in one direction, they become thicker or thinner in perpendicular directions, unlike conventional materials. The kinetiX project describes a group of auxetic-inspired material structures that can transform into various shapes upon compression. The team developed percellular-based material structure units composed of rigid plates and elastic/rotary hinges. Different compositions of these units lead to a variety of tunable shape-changing possibilities, such as uniform scaling, shearing, bending, and rotating. By tessellating those transformations together, the team can create various higher-level transformations for design. The project has potential applications in fields such as packaging design, conformable exoskeletons, and reconfigurable furniture. The Nissan ProPilot chair is an autonomous chair developed by Nissan for people who can't stand waiting in line. Named after the company's flagship autonomous driving technology, the ProPilot chair detects and automatically follows the chair ahead of it, maintaining a fixed distance and traveling along a set path. This closely resembles how the ProPilot system for vehicles maintains a safe distance behind the car ahead and ensures that the vehicle stays in the center of its lane. The ProPilot chair appeals to anyone who has waited in line for hours outside a crowded restaurant. It eliminates the tedium and physical strain of standing in line. The same user-friendly philosophy underpins Nissan's ProPilot autonomous driving technology, which was designed to ease driver workload by assisting with the most tiring and repetitive aspects of driving in heavy highway traffic. The unifying concept behind both is intelligent mobility, Nissan's vision for how cars will be driven, powered, and integrated into society. Nissan's ProPilot chair garnered attention for its unique and creative approach to using autonomous technology in a non-traditional context. While it hasn't become a widespread commercial product, it serves as an interesting demonstration of how autonomous systems can be applied to various aspects of daily life beyond driving. The BMW iX Flow is indeed a groundbreaking example of how technology can allow for instant color changes in a car's exterior. This innovative concept car uses e-ink technology to digitally alter its appearance. The iX Flow has over 200,000 microcapsules with positively and negatively charged white pigments suspended in fluid applied to the car's body. By applying an electric charge, the white pigments are drawn to the surface or retracted to change the car's exterior color. This allows the driver to change the entire exterior color of the car at the touch of a button. It can display various preset patterns or colors. At CES, BMW showcased the car changing from black to white. The e-ink technology is developed and supplied by a company called e-ink. It's similar to the technology used in e-reader screens. Benefits of the color changing ability include personalization, reflecting different moods, helping the car blend in or stand out, and reflecting light/temperature changes for efficiency. The iX Flow is based on the production iX electric SUV, but features a special body shell. The interior, electric powertrain, and other mechanics are the same as the standard iX. BMW has not confirmed plans to put the iX Flow into production yet. The concept mainly demonstrates the possibilities of e-ink technology on vehicles. If produced, BMW would need to ensure durability and solve technical challenges like coordinating the color changes over the entire exterior. Overall, it showcases innovative future tech for customization.